Good morning, students. Today we will do the remaining sums of chapter or exercise 8.1. Yesterday we did till sum number 4. Today we will continue with from sum number 5. In sum number 5, it says write the following decimal as fraction and also reduce the fraction to the lowest term. Write the following decimal and fraction, and also we need to reduce them to the lowest term. So the very first sums, which is over here, say a 0.6. Then let's take C as 1.0. Then we have, let's take E as 13.7, and lastly we will take G as 6.4. Now, in this particular fractions, you will find that there is a point n which is written as 0.6. When there is a digit after point, then the first digit we say as 1/10, as we have discussed yesterday. Simply what you need to do, you need to multiply 0.6, not multiply, you need to divide 0.6 by 100. Take this, or instead of writing 0, simply write 6. Take the last digit, the decimal figure, and write this 6 by 10. And the next one will come as 1 itself, because after 1 there is a point, and after that there is 0. There is nothing else you need to write. Simply write 1. 13.7. So write this as 13.7 by 10, because we have one digit after point. Now in this we write as 64 by 10. always keep in mind that, and if there is only one digit, or I'm writing it over here, if in case is of one digit after point, we will always write as, take that as 1 by 10. In case of 2 digits, after point, it will be 1 by 100. Then, in case of 3 digits, it comes as 1 by 1000, and similarly it will continue. So in this case we have only one digit. We mark this as 6 by 10. 1.00, we all know there is a value. We don't take this, we don't measure this value, so it will only 1. 13.7, and so we will have 137 by 10. 6.4, we will write it as 64 by 10. Now this is the fraction. Lowest form. Now let's bring this to the lowest form. When we bring this to the lowest form, we can divide 6 by 2, it comes as 3. 10 by 2, it comes as 5. So we will mark this as 3 by 5. In case of 1, we will simply mark it as 1. 137 by 10, we cannot divide this, so we will write this as the same 137 by 10. And 64 by 10, we can divide 64 by 2, it comes as 32, and 10 as 5. So we will mark it as 32 by 5. This is how we will do it. Now we will move to the next sum. Sum number 6. So moving to the next sum number 6, it says express the following as centimeter using decimal. Sum number 6 says we need to express the following in express the following as centimeter using decimal. Number A is 2 millimeter. Then we have B says 30 millimeter. Then we have 116 millimeter. 4 centimeter, 2 millimeter. And lastly we have 162 millimeter. So we all know that 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Now we have 1 centimeter has 10 millimeter. So over here it is written as 2 by 5, 2 millimeter. So what we will do? We will mark this as 2 by 10 in centimeter. And finally it will come as, in decimal it will come as 0.2 centimeter. Now we have 30 millimeter. 30 divided by 10 will come as 3 centimeter. Now we have 116. If we divide 116 by 10, it will come as 11.6 centimeter. 4 centimeter means 4 centimeter, it will come as 40 millimeter plus 2 millimeter. The total will come as 42 millimeter. Now divide this 42 by 10, you will get this as 4.2 centimeter. 162 millimeter divide 162 by 10, it will come as 16.2 centimeter. How? Let's take this 162 centimeter over here, as I showed you yesterday. 10 comes 1 times in 16, so write 16 of 1 over here, bring 10 minus 6 to, in 62 it comes as 6 times, so 6, 60, remaining 2. We need to divide this 2 by 10, so we put a dot over here and we can bring write a 0 over here, and 20 it comes 2 times, so the answer is 16.2 centimeter. This is how you need to do this type of sums, where it is asking you to convert into millimeter to centimeter and centimeter to meter. This is how we need to do this. So now let's continue with the next part, next sum, which is sum number 7. In sum number 7, it says between which two whole numbers on the number line are the given number lies. Acha, okay. Hey, which of these whole numbers are nearer to the number? So, sum number 7. Let's draw up number 9. This number line is divided in up to 12. 0, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, okay, the first one says A. This is 0.8. Then we have 5.1. Two 2.6. Then 6.4. The last two which we have 9.1 and 4.9. One, and lastly we have 4.9. And so 0.8 lies between, it lies between 0 and 1. 5.1 lies between 5 and 6. This one lies between 2 and 3. This one lies between 6 and 7. Between 9 and 10. This lies between 4 and 5. So the first one which we have is 0.8. If we mark 10 lines between 0 and 1, we need to divide this. As I see, it says only one digit, it will be 1/10. And so we need to divide this distance in 10 different parts. So it will come somewhere around over here, 0.8. Then we have 2.6, or rather let's take 4, 6, 8. So over here it will come as 2.6x. Then we have 5.1, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 5.1 will lie somewhere over here. 6.4, 2, 3, 4. Let's take this and mark as 6.4. We are dividing the line in 5 parts over here, or rather, if you want, you can take this as like this. You can divide it into 10 parts, and when the exact position is, you need to mark the line over there. Now this one I'm doing, I'm dividing this part into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here comes 9.1. The last one which we have is 4.9. Similarly, divide this line into 10 parts. Mark this as 4.9. This is how you need to do, or you need to mark on the number line. Okay? Then in question number 8 also says the same thing. Show the following following numbers on the number line. So I'm doing 2 sums from here. Or 2 parts from here. Let's write this. We need to mention this on a number line. So show the following numbers on the number line. Let's say 0.2, and let me take 1.9. Let it be like this. So let's mark this point as 0. Let's mark this point as 1. Divide them into 10 parts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's mark 2 from here, 0.2. So it will come 2 over here. So we will mark 0.2 over here. Then this is A. let's come to B. Let this be 1, this be 2. Again, mark them in 10 different parts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one will be 10. So it says 1.9. So this one will be 1.9. I hope this is clear to all of you, and you people can do this. Let's move to the next sum. Write the decimal number represented by the point A, B, C, D on the given number line. So the decimal number which is given on this number line, we need to mark them. I'm just telling the numbers, you people can note them. If you see that between 0 and 1 it is divided in 10 parts, and on A is written on 0.8, B is written on 1.3, C is marked on 2.2, and D on 2.9. So let me write down the answers over here. Or I'm just drawing them. 0, 1, 2, 3. So now if you look over here, 0 and 1, this is divided in 10 parts, and first one, A, is written on 0.8. If you look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will mark this as 0.8. Then 1, 2, 3. So B is marked on 1.3. C is marked on 2.2, and D is marked on 2.9. what you need to do, you need to write A over here and then write 0.8, B 1.3, C 2.2, D 2.9. This is how you need to mark them. Okay, this is sum number 8. Sorry, yeah, sum number 9. And the last sums which is remaining is sum number 10. And in sum number 10, we will solve out this problem, and your exercise 8.1 will complete. And question 10. A. The length of Ramesh's notebook is 9 centimeter 5 millimeter. Okay. What will be the length in centimeter? So, the length of the notebook is 9 centimeter and 5 millimeter. You need to mention them in centimeter. So 9 centimeter, let's convert it into millimeter first. We all know that 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Convert 9 centimeter. First, it will be 9 into 10. It will come as 90 plus 5 millimeter. So this is millimeter. So when we have millimeter already with us, we don't need to convert it. Will become as 95 millimeter. Now we need to convert this into centimeter. To convert this into centimeter, simply divide 95 by 10, because 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. It will come as 9.5 centimeter. How? 90 95 divided by 10. Here comes 9. 90. 5 is remaining. Put a dot over here, point, bring a 0. It will automatically comes as 5. 10 into 5 equals to 50. So your answer is 9.5 centimeter. The length of a young gram plant is 65 millimeter. Express its length in centimeter. The length of the Coming to the part B. Coming to part B is 65 the length of the ground mat. Is 65 millimeter. Now you need to convert this into centimeter. So again, 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Now divide 65 by 10, 6, 65. Put a dot over here. Here comes a 0, 5 as 50. You need to mention this unit. If you won't mention this unit, your marks will get deducted. Right. So, people, please mark this unit so that you don't lose a number. So, this is what is for today, and with this particular sums, we are completing chapter 8.1.